In the past 3.5 years, 8 partners from Europe have worked together to improve public assistance that small and medium-sized enterprises can use if they want to increase their competitiveness through the introduction and application of Industry 4.0 solutions. Industry 4.0 is gaining ground in all sectors of economies across Europe. But whereas large enterprises have the resources and the knowledge to efficiently use them, the picture is different in the case of small and medium-sized companies.
Unfortunately, in Hungary, Industry 4.0 is still not much embedded at the wide range of SMEs. So we as a ministry and the policymakers have a lot of things to do with this.
Well, we have lots of quite advanced companies that are using Industry 4.0 solutions, but also there is a big group of companies that are not really have not really adapted them yet. So there is lots of work to do.
There's a lot to do. It's not to do because still we have many problems to involve small and very small enterprises in this digital transformation. But Marche Region is trying to attempt several approaches.
Project partners have structured their work in INNO PROVEMENT along 7 topics that are highly relevant in improving the policy instruments related to Industry 4.0 development of small and medium-sized companies.
I think the most interesting thematic issue for us was adjusting calls to Industry 4 requirements by Marche Region, because I think it can contribute to in the future calls of region of Thessaly.
The theme of the maturity assessment tools, because in spite of the fact that those maturity assessment tools usually are understood for digital maturity assessment, we took them further. So this has been very revealing and interesting, and gives the possibility to make a model at the end of the day.
We find that all the 7 thematic issues are dramatically actual and very, very interesting to develop.
So let's see the results of the project.
The theme of INNO PROVEMENT is how can we build better instruments for introducing I 4.0. So literally we've done that and applied some lessons, and we hope as Portuguese partners to implement more of those solutions in the future.
So we have decided to use one of the good practice in our action plan, which is referentials to Industry 4.0. This is good practice of our Portuguese partner Compete 2020.
So it is essential to learn from the good practices of other partners and see how they are dealing with the same challenges. So for example, the Portuguese I4 initiative was very interesting in that it showed the shift from simple acquisition of technology towards broader issues such as trainings, business management and acquiring of new knowledge and skills.
3 main things. The first is the digital maturity matrix, how the partners use this measurement system. The second one is what we learned in Czech Republic, how they evaluate the research and innovation project related to Industry 4.0. And last but not least, the Finnish example, how the players in the traditional industry can adopt Industry 4.0.
How INNO PROVEMENT partners could work together to reach project results.
I think in INNO PROVEMENT it was very nice to experience that the partner organizations, which are managing authorities, they were really eager to learn from each other. So there are good practices that they are applying in their daily practice, and the different partners were really interested in how other partners are applying their solutions and helping SMEs to develop.
That we could go much deeper into the content and issues related to Industry 4.0. That was very important. Secondly, the way of cooperation with the partners and with the lead partner.
I think the best experience for us is the improvement of our capacity building. So our SMEs are developing their skills.
For me, the best memory I will have of INNO PROVEMENT is what we could taste during the pandemic period. In fact, we could really test that is possible to cooperate and implement an European project even if we are not physically together and a screen is not a limit.
We are really glad to cooperate with all of the partners in the project with such a different experiences, and we hope to work together in the future, in the next projects.
The experts from different countries to sit together, to talk about similar things what we are doing day by day. So it was good to share with others our knowledge and having fun sometimes.